Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be looking at the term that I used previously, that a string is nothing but an array of characters. Let's see how strings are represented in computer memory. Let's suppose that I have a variable called as word. Let's suppose I have a variable called as word whose value is JavaScript. So let's say there's this variable word whose value is JavaScript. If I say console.log, I'm using CL for short, and if I say console.log of word, it will return the entire string that is there. Whatever the entire string is, it's gonna get returned. But I said strings are an array of characters, meaning in memory, strings are represented as individual characters right next to each other. It looks something like this. If you have a variable whose value is JavaScript, JavaScript. Okay. So in memory, it's going to be stored at different indexes where the index starts at 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The length of your string is going to be 10. The length of the string is going to be 10, but in memory, it is going to be stored this way. This is your value and this is your index. So if I now say console.log word of, let us say 0. That means to say I'm accessing the value at the 0th index. That's going to return just the character J. Of course, these are strings, so it's going to be in this single quotes manner. But you get the point here. If I say console.log word of, let's say 8, it's going to return the character at the 8th index, which is going to be P. If I say console.log word of, let's say 20. So there is no character at the 20th index. JavaScript will return undefined. If you're trying to access something which is not there, it's going to go ahead and return undefined. Now, knowing this is going to be crucial because there are several methods that you're going to be using in the future. Something like the index of method. You can check at what index a certain character is found. So for example, if I say index of A, then it will scan and tell me the first occurrence of the index, which will be 1. It's found at the first index. Again, index of only gives you the first occurrence where it is found. There are other methods where I can slice or extract a part of the string, something like slice method. I can say slice 2, 5. So that means to say from the second index up to the 5th index, not including the 5th index. So it's going to be 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be VAS. Knowing this representation of data in memory is quite crucial. In the future videos, you'll learn about these methods. There are several methods where you're going to be dependent on extracting certain values from indexes of a string. So when you come across an index of method or a slice method, you need to kind of write this down till you get comfortable knowing that, okay, the characters are present at different indexes.